Wake up, team! It's holiday time! What time is it?
It's 6 a.m. Our flight is at 9. Paris?
Disneyland?
Yay!
Checklist time. Passports?
Got 'em!
Leo. Toothbrush?
Oops, no. I packed my robot.
Go get your toothbrush, silly.
To the airport, please. Terminal 2. Sure thing. Buckle up.
Mom, are planes scary?
Not at all. It's like a flying car.
Here we are! Terminal 2! Look how big it is!
Let's check the board. Flight 702 to Paris. I see it! Check-in open!
Good morning. Passports, please.
Here you go. 4 for Paris.
Wonderful. I'll get those checked in right away. Any bags to check?
Yes, these 2, please. Why do I have to take off my shoes?
It's the rules, Dad. No metal.
Look! That plane is huge!
Yes, that's our plane.
Welcome aboard. Seats 12A to 12D.
Thank you.
I want the window! No, it's my turn! 1 star!
You can switch halfway. Here we go. Takeoff.
Whoa! We're flying!
Faith, chicken or pasta?
Pasta, please. Chicken for me.
Folks, a little turbulence. Please fasten your seatbelts.
It's okay, just a bumpy road in the sky.
Ah! Touchdown! Welcome to Paris!
Where is our bag?
There's the blue one! Got it!
Purpose of your visit? Tourism, family holiday. Enjoy Paris.
Look, kids! The Eiffel Tower!
Whoa!
Checking in for the Smith family.
Room 305. Here is your key.
This bed is awesome!
Best holiday ever!
We made it! Time for adventure! Thanks for joining our trip. Don't forget to subscribe for the next adventure.